Hi everybody, it's December and we're here to do another craft, and since it's snowy cold weather we thought we would do a little snowflake, and we're going to make it out of wine corks. So in your kit you will find wine corks, and you will find a bag of glitter, and then you will find a ribbon to put all the way around it. The first thing you're going to do is cut all the corks in half. And once you've done that, try to make them as even as you possibly can. We found that the easiest way is with an X-Acto knife if you have one. If you don't, a serrated kitchen knife will work. Please be careful. We don't want anyone to get hurt. So I hope you can do that successfully. You'll find a lot of corks in there. We're actually going to give you enough for 2 of these snowflakes. The first thing you need to do is just glue the corks in a row, 5 in a row. And that center cork is going to be really important to you. So then you'll see you have 2 on the ends and that center cork, and now you're going to radiate them out like a star. So you'll have a line of 5 in a row going in that direction, a line of 5 in a row going in that direction. And you glue that all together, make sure it's nice and stable. It might be just a little bit wobbly, so I'd just be careful of it. And you might have to do a little re-gluing because it is kind of tenuous. Once you've done all that and you have it laying out like this, you can just glue the tops, just a fine layer of glue on top of the corks, and take your glitter, just cut a little tiny hole in the bottom of the bag, and you can just run your glitter over the glue and it will stick. And once you've done that and you feel like it's nice and sturdy and everything's dried, you're going to take your ribbon and run it right along here. You'll want to glue your ribbon in many places along here, and this will actually keep it nice and solid. So once you've done that, you can just tie it off at the top and leave enough room so that you have a hanger, and you're finished. And thank you all. I hope you have a lot of fun with it, and I want to thank the Friends of Milford Library because they make all of this possible, and we are so grateful to them. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.